If you've been scrolling through social media or browsing online and stumbled upon the stylish, polished ads for Maria and Sofia's so-called handcrafted women's clothing with beautiful blouses, cozy sweaters, elegant shoes, and more, you're not alone. The store looks tempting at first glance, especially with its aesthetic product images and promises of artisan-quality fashion. But before you go adding anything to your cart, you really need to take a step back and ask, is mariaandsofia.com actually a legit store, or is it just another clever online trap? In this review, I dive deep into what's really going on behind the scenes. The website uses product images that are likely copied from other sources, which is an immediate red flag for authenticity. The domain was only recently registered, which often suggests a lack of long-term business intentions. On top of that, there's no real customer service, no phone number, no live chat, and only a generic email that often goes unanswered. The reviews on the site feel suspiciously generic and overly positive. And what's more concerning is the complete absence of credible external reviews from real customers. All of this creates a strong sense of doubt. While I didn't find concrete proof that it's a total scam, I also couldn't find anything to confidently recommend it as a trustworthy store. So if you're thinking of shopping from Maria and Sofia, this video will give you all the facts you need to decide if it's worth the risk, or if your money is better spent elsewhere.